Welcome. If you've unfollowed some pages on Facebook and want to reconnect with them, this video is for you. Facebook recently rolled out a new update that makes it easier to follow pages you've previously unfollowed. I'll show you exactly how to do this on your PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, head to the top right corner where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile picture to open your profile. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Settings and Privacy, which will reveal more options. Now click on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage everything about what shows up in your feed, including the pages, groups, and topics you follow or unfollow. In the Content Preferences section, you'll see an option labeled Reconnect. Click on that to move to the next step. Once you click Reconnect, Facebook will show you a list of pages you've unfollowed in the past. To reconnect with a page, simply find the page you want to follow again and click on the small icon next to it. That's it. By clicking that icon, you'll start seeing posts from that page in your feed again, and you're done. Now you've reconnected with the pages you've unfollowed and can stay updated with their posts once again. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy reconnecting.